So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to assignments. And I'm going to create a new assignment for my students. And then I'm going to go up to the top here and you see Mastery Paths. Click on Mastery Paths. And now it's going to pop up with 3 different sections. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to make Mastery 8 to 10 of the points that you scored on this assignment. So if my students scored 8 to 10 points, then they have mastered that subject. For here, I'm going to say, yes, 0 to 4 needs practice. 4 to 8 needs a little extra practice. And then what I'm going to do is where it has this plus sign, I'm going to click there. Now you'll see other assignments that I have on this Canvas course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that if they have 8 to 10 mastered, they are going to get sent to speaking practice. If they still need extra practice, they're going to do writing. And if I feel they need to relearn the material entirely, vocab practice. You can also set it up that they have to do multiple things. For example, they have to do the speaking practice and the writing practice. Here they have to do the vocabulary and the writing. And here they have to do the vocabulary. Okay, so the first step before you can even make an assignment and create those mastery paths in the assignment is to make the assignments that you want to have them do after this initial assignment. And so I'm going to go and create a quiz. Then I'm going to make my questions. And then I set my points for each of those questions. And when I go to my mastery path, and I can change that like I did with the assignment. The benefit of doing quizzes like this is that you do not have to use SpeedGrader to grade and then have that sent to the mastery path. With quizzes, as soon as the student finishes the quiz and gets their grade back, because it'll automatically grade it if you have multiple choice, true, false, anything that the student does not have to manually type in a response, it'll automatically grade this quiz and then send them to the mastery path, or open up that mastery path option. Here, this assignment, you can see mastery path, how many did that. I'm going to check. So I had them using the language if they scored well, had them reviewing if they were intermediate, and had them learning if they did poorly on this quiz. So that's a little bit about how to use Mastery Paths. I hope that helped.